Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you tips to get rich faster and grow according to game of Roblox Fall Harvest Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Fall Harvest Event Update has been released in Grow a Garden, and there is a new currency which is called the Maple Leaves currency. And if you want to get rich quickly guys, I have some methods that you can try. So the first method is rushing maple bamboo. As soon as you can afford it, you can start buying the maple bamboo seeds from the seed shop. It has one of the best profit to cost ratios early in the fall harvest world and is considered the fastest way to snowball your income. You can purchase it here. And then the second method is upgrade to maple mushroom. After earning a decent amount of leaves, switch to the maple mushroom farming. These crops have much higher earning potential, especially if they receive the valuable mutations before you harvest them. Oh, I'm the werewolf now. Okay, forget about it. And the third method is never harvest the Atlantic giant pumpkin too early. The Atlantic giant pumpkin continues growing until you harvest it. Let it grow for as long as possible and stack mutation before collecting it. A fully grown mutation pumpkin can be worth an enormous amount of leaves. And then don't forget to take advantage of the weather events. Play during weather events that apply mutations to crop. Mutated crops sell for much more than normal ones. So waiting for the right weather can multiply your profits. And of course, you can also buy the syrup sprinklers. Instead of spending all your leaves on seeds, invest in syrup sprinklers, and they can help produce larger and more valuable crops, increasing your long-term income. Okay guys, and that's all about the tips to get rich faster and grow according to game of Roblox Fall Harvest Update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.